Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect SerpApi to N8N. Before we get into the technical steps, let's quickly talk about what this connection can do. SerpApi is a service that allows you to get search engine results in a structured way, which means you can automatically pull data from Google or other search engines without manually searching. N8N, on the other hand, is a powerful workflow automation tool that lets you automate tasks and connect different apps without needing to write complex code. By combining these two tools, you can create workflows that automatically gather search data and use it in other applications, saving a lot of time and making processes more efficient. Whether you're managing data for projects, research, or business purposes, this setup can be a huge time saver and open up a lot of possibilities. So in this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to make this connection work smoothly in N8N. First and foremost, we have to go to our workflow. Then at the right side of the screen, we will see a plus sign, which we are going to click. After clicking it, a search bar appears where we search up SerpApi. Then we will click the one that has SerpApi Official. Then click Install Node, which is orange in color, which then opens a new screen where we can select a credential to connect with, search up resource, and other things. And that's it. Now you know how to connect SerpApi to N8N and start automating your workflows with search engine data. Using tools like these can really help you save time, stay organized, and make your projects more efficient. Even small automations can add up to a big difference when it comes to managing data or running tasks that would otherwise take hours manually. So take some time to explore these tools, experiment with different workflows, and see how automation can make your work or projects easier and more productive. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.